How does a technical product manager differ from a program manager? Well, in this video, we're going to compare these two careers from the inside out. My name is Josh. I'm one of the founders here at Product HQ. And this video is for anyone who wants to become a technical product manager or a program manager, but is confused about the difference. Well, I'll go ahead and break down the similarities and differences between the role, skills, salaries, and career paths of technical product managers and program managers. But first, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more content or comment below about videos you'd like to see from us in the future. Now let's go ahead and get started. A technical product manager is not the same as a program manager, but both positions are crucial at large tech companies, software companies, and manufacturers. They're both high-level positions that lead and coordinate among multiple teams and departments, all in service of completing projects on time. In that general sense, these are similar positions, and they both share some tasks like cross-team alignment, informing external stakeholders of progress, and reaching scheduled goals on time. But a technical product manager is concerned with the overall product vision and the product roadmap, the what per se, and the program manager is concerned with the processes, resources, and teams, the how. So having made the fundamental distinction here, let's talk about how it defines all the differing preoccupations and responsibilities between these two roles. A technical product manager is still a product management role that involves business, team leadership, and building roadmaps. But it also involves having the technical knowledge and capabilities to shape the product over time. So they use their technical background to serve the product owner's vision, and they are responsible for translating that product vision into action. And that's why technical product managers take ownership over the product roadmap. They're responsible for the product throughout the entire product lifecycle, from customer interaction to roadmap building to delivery. And that's why technical product managers, unlike program managers, are responsible for conducting market research and integrating it into the product. Innovation doesn't exist in a vacuum. So part of the technical product manager's role is to use customer insights, market research, and engineering and design skills to discover the new features that serve the customer's product and reality of the market. Then technical product managers are responsible for prioritizing what needs to be built next and guiding the engineering and design teams to those desired outcomes. And this level of team leadership, however, would not be as involved as program managers are involved with the budgets and timelines. Technical product managers are judged on the success of the product and the customer's response. Now let's move on to program managers. If technical product managers are judged by a product success and customer response, well, program managers, on the other hand, are judged by the success of the project's processes, such as how expensive development has been and if it's been completed on time. While technical product managers are the experts on their particular products, program managers are more responsible for identifying and coordinating the integrated relationships among multiple projects, teams, and initiatives at any given moment. Their work is not concerned with the overall product as much as how a new product or feature will impact the organization. For example, a software company is introducing new cloud-based features, and so its program manager would need to coordinate among the many teams involved to ensure smooth, organized delivery. And this does not have an emphasis on engineering teams, unlike a technical role. The marketing and sales teams in this scenario need new resources and support to sell a new product. Customer teams need training to assist consumers with the product, and this hypothetical cloud-based initiative causes plenty of teams across the organization to adapt new budgets, employees, and schedules. And in order to meet goals by the deadline, the program manager will need to facilitate all processes in the roadmap. Now let's move on to more responsibilities. Budget management is a major task of a program manager. They work with human resources and finance to secure budgets, assess departmental needs, and allocate project resources. They're responsible for justifying any major expenditures, requesting more resources, and disclosing any major financial decisions to external stakeholders. In addition to money-related information, program managers are also in charge of keeping stakeholders aware of a program's progress, obstacles, and accomplishments. For this reason, communication skills are crucial to a program manager's job performance. Program managers are also responsible for risk assessment throughout the organization, which is a monumental task throughout large organizations, to say the least. Then, program managers are responsible for making decisions to prevent these potential risks and disruptions. The role of a program manager is dependent on the size and processes of a given company. Smaller, streamlined companies, for example, won't need a program manager, but as companies become larger with more departments, employees, features, and resources, program managers become a critical part to a smooth running operation. And many companies find that product managers are simply unable to keep up with risk assessment, managing external stakeholders, and allocating budgets. And so a program manager is brought to keep teams in check. Now that we've looked at the differences between the roles of a technical product manager and program manager, let's go ahead and talk about their different required skills. Both a technical product manager and program manager are responsible for team leadership. As a result, both roles require leadership abilities, the ability to communicate, and interpersonal skills to communicate tasks while minimizing conflict. These skills, however, might be more important to a program manager who has their hands in more of the organization's moving parts, and often to a greater extent. Also, both types of managers should have the emotional intelligence to read a room of employees and team members and respond in a professional manner that encourages motivation and productivity. Both technical product managers and program managers are skilled in cloud-based project management, since both positions require organizing teams to a roadmap. However, a technical product manager requires the technical know-how to conceive and carry out a product's vision. And therefore, technical product managers require engineering and design skills, usually in computer science, engineering, or information technology. And for example, technical product managers should be skilled in network solutions like load balancing, data collection and management, and also software like Microsoft SQL Server and other database management systems. Program managers, on the other hand, do not need a technical background. They should be skilled in program or project management software, though, such as creating Gantt charts, things like how to use Trello, Jira, and maybe Asana. And as I touched on before, program managers are also skilled in budget planning, which includes budget software and practical skills like negotiating and proposal writing. Program managers should also be highly organized and communicative, as their success is dependent on their stakeholder management skills. Now that I've gone over the skills required for both technical product managers and program managers, let's talk about their salaries. Well, according to Glassdoor, the average salary for a technical product manager is about $124,000. This number is broken down into an average base pay of about $111,000 plus additional pay at an average of about $13,000. And Glassdoor's graph shows that the 25th percentile of average technical product manager salary rests at $46,000. And the 75th percentile at $359,000. The wide range in salary among technical product managers indicates that there are many factors that go into play. And the more specialized one can be in their technical knowledge, the more valuable they are to a project management lifecycle, making them capable of garnering a higher salary. And technical product managers can be promoted to become senior technical product managers, and if the position exists at a given company, even lead senior technical product managers. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a program manager, on the other hand, in the US is about $99,000. This number is broken down into an average base pay of about $86,000 plus additional pay at an average of $13,000. Glassdoor's graph shows that the 25th percentile of average salary rests at $45,000 and the 75th percentile at $227,000. What this wide range indicates is that many factors go into a program manager's salary, such as their experience, company, and the product being developed. If you're looking for a career with a higher salary, you should consider technical product management over program managing. The average salary is about $25,000 higher with technical product management, which makes sense given the amount of technical expertise and training required. So with salaries covered, let's move on to the career paths of these two positions. Both technical product managers and program managers require a high school diploma at least, and a bachelor's degree, and perhaps a graduate's degree. Because a technical background is necessary for technical product managers, there's more of an emphasis here, and anyone considering this field should focus their college studies and extracurriculars on something like engineering, computer science, or information technology. Although a technical degree would be of use to a program manager, it's more important for them to have a bachelor's degree in something like business administration or finance. Also, having something like an MBA or similar graduate degree would make their resume more attractive to potential companies. In order to become a technical product manager, individuals should have entry-level experience as a member of a project technical team, such as a software development or data team. Similarly, program managers should gain experience as a project manager or junior project manager so they can understand the project management lifecycle from inside out. Because each industry has its own unique project and program requirements, try to get your management experience in the industry you want for your later career. You wouldn't want to waste your early career years learning the project management requirements of a particular industry only to waste it with an inevitable lateral move years later. Now let's say you've worked hard and landed a position as a technical product manager or a program manager. What can you do to work towards a promotion or a salary increase? And how can you grow your career in either of these positions? Well, there are a few ways to make this happen. You can get a certification in product management, whether that's a technical product management certification, a data product management certification, and then many other ones. And we offer those on Product Manager HQ. And what they do is they help give you the skills to drive impact. And of course, employers love impact. If you can learn skills that are immediately applicable to drive impact, employers will see that and be more enthusiastic when it comes time to give you a promotion and salary increase. And now these certifications may be more relevant for, let's say, a technical product manager position than a program manager position. And that's okay. For program managers, you can also get these certifications and get certifications more specific for that role too. And of course, you should always work on developing your technical skills so you can add those to your resume, such as network solutions, programming languages like Python or Java, anything that's relevant to your job that, again, will help you drive impact. And maybe even taking a step further, like understanding how to use data pipelines and getting a really good idea of how to conduct data analysis with different tools. And it's important to realize that technology is always advancing, and you always have to be working on increasing your technical skills and understanding the different fields that are becoming popular, whether that has to do with algorithms or AI. And for the program manager, there's ability to get into higher level positions and become a senior program manager. And it's best to sharpen your program manager skills wherever you can. And beyond increasing your technical skills and certifications, there's plenty of other skills familiarize yourself with if you're a program manager. Budget planning software and being able to understand how to use relevant tools can be a big plus to your resume. And keep in mind that there's different program managing software for different size companies. So if you're going to self-teach, be sure to choose software that reflects the type of company you'd like to be working for. No matter the position, it's always beneficial to strengthen your skill set. Whether you're looking for a better salary at your current job or you're looking for a more advanced job with a higher salary. And there you have it. We just went over a comprehensive breakdown of the differences between a technical product manager and a program manager. Be sure to let me know your thoughts about the video in the comment section. And if you feel like you learned the differences and you have a much better understanding now, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Again, my name is Josh. I'm one of the founders of Product HQ, and I'll see you on some of our following videos where we cover more topics about product management. Cheers.